Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So we are back at CVS today, back home in Texas for the second week of the CVS sales ad. I just got back on Friday from New York City. I was staying like close to Central Park, and it was my first time in New York. I was visiting with my sister, and we got to see a bunch of stuff. I was getting used to the subway. We take the subway everywhere. We went all around Manhattan. We went to Brooklyn, and it was really, really fun. We were only there for 4 days, and I had like a super long list of stuff, and we didn't even get to touch a fraction of what I wanted to see, but it was a really great first trip. I could definitely see myself going back and still having a ton of stuff to do and see. Very fun. If you guys have never been, definitely would recommend. And if you have been, let me know what was your favorite part of your New York trip in the comment section, because I'm very curious. So being that this week we're working with the same extra care book deals as last week, I'll go over all of the new deals that I came up with at the beginning of the video and then go over all the repeat deals at the end of the video. And as always, at the end of the video, I will also go over my receipts for everything that I did end up purchasing. Check out your store for Halloween clearance. Mine was kind of in the back by the food. It's marked at my store at 50% off, but it is ringing up 75% off. So make sure to grab anything that you want for decorating for next year. The Gillette and Venus regular razors are buy one, get one 50% off, and spend $30, get back a $10 extra buck. So I'm going to grab one of these Gillette Mach 3 razor and refills for $27.99, and then one of these Gillette Labs, the starter kit, at $20.49. This will be the 50% off item. So these two will total $38.23. If your store has them priced cheaper, that'll be even better. You want them two together to be priced as close to $35 as possible. And that's so we can use this 8 off 35 Gillette CRT along with a $3 digital for the Mach 3 and a $5 digital for the Labs. And you'll be left to pay $22.23. Getting back your $10 extra buck makes both of these just $12.23 or cheaper if your store is priced a little bit lower. L'Oreal Elvive are on sale for $5.29 and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two at $10.58, use a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we just got, and you'd pay $7.58, getting back that $3 extra buck makes two of these just $4.58. The General Mills cereal are on sale for 2 for $5 and spend $10, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab 4 of them totaling $10 and use 2 separate $1 off 2 digital coupons, taking off a total of $2. And you'd pay $8, get back your $3 extra buck. Then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 of these, and you can submit to Fetch Rewards for 90 cents back. And that's going to make 4 of these just $3.10. I will have Ibotta linked in the description box down below to get a $5 bonus as well as Fetch. The Safeguard hand soaps are $4.79 and buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. So what you can do is grab 2 of them totaling $9.58 and use a $1 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $8.58 and then get back that $6 extra buck, and that'll make your final cost just $2.58 for 2 of these. My store is sold out, but the Thayer's acne patches are $8.99. Buy one, get back a $5 extra buck, and we have a $2 digital coupon. So using that, you pay $6.99, and after getting back the $5 extra buck, it makes one of these just $1.99. Using our $5 L'Oreal CRT this week, you can grab the Collagen Moisturizer at $12.99. Using that $5 off CRT and a $3 manufacturer digital coupon, you'd pay just $4.99 for this item. We did get a $5 off any L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT this week. The cheapest item you can use that on is the L'Oreal Toner at $8.69. So using that, you pay just $3.69 for this. Another way that you can do the L'Oreal deal is doing the extra buck promotion. For when you spend $45, you get back a $15 extra buck. So my store has the Age Perfect Serum priced at $45.79. That'd be perfect. You can use a 5 off 25 L'Oreal Facial Care CRT. The $5 Instant CRT will also stack. And we have a $6 manufacturer digital coupon that you can also stack with those 2 CVS CRTs. So with the $16 off in digital coupons, you'd be left to pay $29.79, getting back that $15 extra buck. And that would make this over $45 serum just $14.79. I did want to mention the Neutrogena facial care deal because it's spend $30, get back a $10 extra buck this week. So if you grab an item priced around $30, you can use a 5 off 20 Neutrogena facial care CRT and you'd pay around $25. You get back your $10 extra buck, and then you can submit for an Activate Rewards rebate that we just got on activaterewards.com/holiday. It's up to a limit of 5 of when you spend $30, you get back a $10 Visa Rewards virtual gift card. So with the $5 CRT, the $10 in extra bucks back, and the $10 back on Activate Rewards, it would make a $30 item just about $5. I also wanted to mention the CeraVe deal. It's spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck, which is already 50% off in savings. No coupons and no Ibotta rebates right now, but that is 50% off, and I know a lot of people are brand loyal to CeraVe. The Axe body wash is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two of them priced at $5.99, totaling $8.98. And we do have a $5 off two digital coupon. So using that, you pay $3.98, getting back the $4 extra buck, and that's going to make two of these completely free. Definitely a great deal. Even if your store has them priced a little bit higher, they'd still be super cheap. We also have a deal on Nivea body wash. They're buy two, get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab two of the men's at $5.99, totaling $11.98. And if you did not already use it, you can use this $2 digital coupon and you'd pay $9.98, getting back that $7 extra buck. And that would make two bottles $2.98 or $1.49 each. The soft soap and Irish Spring body wash are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So the cheapest option is grabbing two of the soft soap at $6.59. Two would total $9.88, and we did just get a $3.50 off of two digital coupon. So using that, you'd pay $6.38, getting back that $3 extra buck, and that's going to make two bottles of soft soap body wash just $3.38. Another Axe deal that you can do are on the body sprays at $7.29. They're buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So grab two of them at $7.29, totaling $14.58, and use a 6 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $8.58, earn back that $4 extra buck, making two of them just $4.58. Another Nivea deal that you can do are on the shave gels. They're also buy two, get back a $7 extra buck. So grab two of them at $5.99, totaling $11.98. You'd pay that, get back your $7 extra buck, making two of them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. Different Crest mouthwash, Scope mouthwash, Crest toothpaste, and Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale for two for $7.98, and they're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two, totaling $7.98, and use a 4 off 2 digital. You'd pay $3.98, getting back your $3 extra buck, making two of them just 98 cents. You can also grab the toothpaste, like I mentioned, and you can also grab the toothbrushes. You could also mix and match, so just do whatever deal that you prefer. The 34-ounce smaller bottles of the Persil detergent are on sale for $6.99 each, and they're buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. So you can grab two of them, totaling $13.98. You'd pay that, getting back your $6 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one, getting a total of $1 back for buying two, and that'll make your final cost for two of them just $6.98 or just $3.49 each. Okay, this is a really good rare deal on the Total Home sponges. They're buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. The cheapest ones are priced at $3.49, so grabbing two of them totaling $6.98, you'd pay that, getting back that $5 extra buck, making two of them $1.98 or just 99 cents each. Maybelline products are spend $12, get back a $4 extra buck. So what you could do is grab an item around $15 and then use a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, a $4 instant CRT that we got from CVS for Maybelline, and you'd be left to pay $8, and then you'd earn back a $4 extra buck, making a $15 item just about $4. The gift card extra buck deal is back for spend $100 and you get back a $20 extra buck, and you can mix and match with different gift card increments to get that $20 extra buck for spending $100. Included are Domino's, DoorDash, Candy Crush, Chipotle, Adidas, and Zipzillions. So definitely pick that up if you want to grab it for yourself or for the holidays to earn some extra bucks back. Okay, for transaction one, I did the Axe and the Crest mouthwash deal. My two digitals came off perfectly, and I ended up paying $3 in extra bucks and about $5 out of pocket in cash. So about $8 out of pocket total between extra bucks and cash, and then I got back my $7 in extra bucks. It was 4 for the Axe and 3 for the Crest. So that means transaction just a net cost of about $1, and then I'm going to roll that $7 in extra bucks into my second transaction. For transaction 2, I did two of the Total Home sponges at $3.49, so those totaled right about $7, and I used my $7 in extra bucks from transaction 1 and then earned back my $5 in extra bucks for buying two of the sponge items. So this was a net cost of just $2, and I'm going to roll that $5 extra buck into transaction 3. For my third transaction, I did the L'Oreal Collagen Moisturizer using my $5 CRT and $3 digital. I owed about $5, $4.99, so I used my $5 in extra bucks from transaction 2 to pay for that, and owed nothing, so this transaction was a net cost of just $5 since I got no extra bucks back. I really hope you guys enjoyed this CVS deals video. If it was helpful, please leave this video a like and a comment with your favorite deal of the week, and I will be live next Saturday going over the new CVS sales ad, and I'll catch you guys in next week's Sunday video.